Hello guys, this is Rishu and welcome back to my channel. And actually I've decided to make another video about the free TEFL course or certificate. So I'm going to show you guys how you can acquire a free TEFL course, and this certificate is actually recognized by most of the institutes, especially if you have decided to teach online. I guess this certificate is going to do for you. I've also made a previous video before. I've made an old video, so you can actually check on the I notification above. You can see the I notification above. You can click on that. You can go back to my previous video and you can actually check out that video as well. Why I've decided to make another video, because I've noticed that there is a little bit of modification in the new certificate and there have been more modules that have been added on this course. So I mean, it's up to you. You can check out that video as well, and also you can check out this video that I'm gonna show you how you can get the certificate. Okay, so let's start. So what you have to do first, you have to go to this website, the TEFLcertificate.com, right? And this website is offering you a free certificate. So as soon as you open this website, you see this landing page. You have to click here, begin now. Once you click on this button, you're gonna go to another page. You have to select account type, click on user. Okay, and then you have to write all your details. So you have to write your name, David William, right? You put your surname, that is your last name, William. Okay, make sure you write your name correctly because you're gonna get the certificate on the same name. Okay, you have to select your nationality. Maybe I'll select Argentina. Select your age, 28 to 40. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's gonna ask you to put your email address. So you have to put your email address. I'm gonna show you that let me take a temporary emails so that I can show you guys that how you can register the account. So I'm using a temporary email just to show you guys how you can register your account. All right, so for instance, I've taken this email. I put my email, put the password. You have to put a long password that you can remember. Okay, just a moment. Okay, I click on submit button. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to go back to your email address because your account is registered, but you have to verify your account from your email. So you see I've received an email on my email address. I have to click on this email, and then I have to click on, you see, verify my account. Once you click on that, your account is verified and you are now registered. Now you have to click on back to login. Okay, put your email address, put your password. I think these are basic details. You can actually do that by yourself, but I'm showing you step by step. Click on login. Okay, now you can see the dashboard here, right? So what you have to do now, scroll down a little bit. You see number one, free 120-hour TEFL course. Click on go to course. Okay, and then click on begin course. All right, so now you see successfully enrolled, right? There are many modules in this course. There are a total of 15 modules, and then you have a final exam that you have to take. And after taking that exam, if you answer all the questions correctly, you're gonna get the certificate. Okay, since this is a 120-hour course, it means it's gonna take a lot of time. So for example, if I click on one of the modules, classroom management, I click on begin, and you can see that introduction, and you have to learn about everything. You have to watch a couple of videos, read about everything here, and once you read and watch all the videos, and you have to take a quiz related to that module, right? So for example, if you have completed this module, you have to click on complete quiz, and then you have to answer couple of questions. You have to answer a couple of questions. Once you answer a couple of questions, you have to click on submit. If your answer is not correct, if you have incorrect answers, you have to retake that quiz. All right, so make sure you study that module quite well, in a meticulous way, because if you just rush, you don't answer it correctly, you're not gonna get the right answer, and in that way you can't complete the module. But you can spend a lot of time, you have to spend a lot of time to complete all this module, but I'm going to show you a short trick. So I have all the answers with me, I have all the question with me. So what you have to do, if you want a certificate quickly without reading all those things, without completing all those modules, I'm going to show you a trick. So what you have to go, you have to go to this link. I'm going to put this link in the description. You have to click on that link, and you can see here is the file for all the question and answers. So you have to click on here, three dots, and click on download. Once you click on download, it's gonna download a file, Word file. You can download that file and open in your laptop. All right, so I already have this file. Let me show you. This is a file. These are all the modules and all the questions and answers. You see module number 1, classroom management quiz, and these are all the questions. Now let me quickly show you how you can answer all the questions, right? Let me go back to the quiz. Okay, this is the quiz. So in the second video, Catherine made, this is the first question, right? In the second video, Catherine made the three answers: discuss, show, let you. So I'm gonna select all the answers: discuss, show, let your student know. Make sure that you select the answer carefully, right? Don't rush, because you just have to look at the answer and just select. Okay, let me go to number 2. I have some effective classroom. I have some effective classroom. Okay, so okay, question number 2. So I've selected I have some effective classroom management techniques prepared, right? Then number 3, physical presence. Let me check if it's the same question. All right, so answer for this question is being able to review. You can provide individual, and then your present can deter. Okay, let me go back to question number 4. Which of the following each student is different learning about? And then we have managing a classroom is essential. All right, number 5, corporal ridicule and yelling. Corporal ridicule, yelling. Okay, I've selected all the answers. You see, there are all the questions, all the same answers in this sheet. So you don't have to worry, just you have to select all the answers and then click on submit. Okay, you see, you passed, right? And you have to click complete module. You see, there's a tick mark, green sign. It means you have completed all this module. In the same way, you have to complete all the module, right? And you can actually check all the answers. So this, you see, module number 2, learning strategies quiz. There are all the question, all the answer, same question and answer, right? There's no change. You're gonna find the same question and answer in all the quiz, and you can select all the answers simply and just click on submit, and it won't take more than a minute for each module, right? Okay, so of course I think you can do it by yourself. Now I'm gonna show you my account. So I've also enrolled for myself. So let me log in to my account and show you guys that what I have done until now. Okay, let me log in, just a moment. Okay, so I log in into my account, and you see I click on continue course, and you actually can see that I've completed all the modules with the same technique. Like I've selected all the answers and I've completed all the modules. Now I have to just take final exam. Okay, so now let's take the test. So we'll click on begin exam. All right, we'll start the test. So now you have to go again to the same sheet, and let's look at all the answer, right? So you can actually find this section of final quiz. You see the last module was learners feedback and development quiz, and after that we have the final quiz, and these are the answers. So let's start. English is a versatile and open language. Let's check all the answers. Okay, so both teachers and student. Right, then which describe your position? So leader. Okay, then number 3, problem are the fault of the teacher. Number 4, focused students. Okay, number 5, pressuring students. Number 6, encouraged to do more advanced work. Number 7, rarely. Number 8, the best way to punish is to consult experienced supervisors. Number 9, student who fall behind be given extra help. Number 10, this is trust is best achieved demonstrating skills. And okay, now let's click on next. Okay, learning strategy, right? So we have to go next one. Patient, understandable, patient, understandable, speaking, motivated, speaking, motivated, demonstrating, distracting, demonstrating, distracting, clear, average, clear, average. Next. Okay, number 3, students' interest. You should highlight the link. You should highlight the link. Then allow students to apply targeted vocabulary. All right, giving students a chance. Next, everyone useful. Everyone useful if focused. Click on next. Number 4, underestimating the time needed. 26, plan lots of material. Poorly planned lessons. 28, plan simple but interesting lessons. 29, teaching English culture. Teaching English culture where it is useful to the language, right? Teaching English culture to the language. And number 30 is review introduction varied. Okay, click on next. All right, English grammar. So after completing all the modules, you have to click on next and then submit your final exam, right? Because I've completed all the modules, I will click on submit. Once you submit, then it will show you that you have passed the exam. You can see my score is around 89 out of 100. So maybe I questioned some of the answer incorrectly because I was in hurry. I didn't double check, so some of the answer were incorrect, but however I still passed the exam because most of the answers were correct. So it doesn't matter if you get 100 out of 100 or 90 or 89 out of 100, you still gonna get the certificate. Okay, let's go to the dashboard now. So if you go to the modules again, and you can check all the modules are completed. So I'm going to click on go to dashboard now in order to get my certificate. And once I go to the dashboard, I will scroll down to the certification number 3, and now I'm going to download my certificate. So you have to click on the right download button here, right? And once you click on that button, it's gonna download a certificate for you. You can see. So let me download it and show it to you guys how my certificate looks like. Okay, so this is my certificate, right? Let me zoom it out a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, TEFL Professional Development Institute memorandum of completion. It is showing my name, the date I've completed the certificate, 29 January, all the modules that I've completed, that I've taken test for, right? It's showing all the information completely, right? So you see that it's a genuine certificate. You can also get it like that, right? Once you complete all the modules and take the final test, you can download this certificate immediately, right? You can print it out if you want. If you want a hard copy of that, you can also buy the certificate from here. That you see the option $sign. You can also buy the certificate from here. So I hope you liked the video, and if you follow all these steps, you're gonna get the certificate easily, right? You don't have to spend a lot of time because I've already included the answers keys. All right, so anyway, that's all for today. If you like the video, please subscribe, comment down below if you have any question, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye and take care.